Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank again with another Pokemon from the series, and today we're gonna learn how to draw Eevee. We're gonna start with a circle here on top of the page, a big one, and now connected to the circle we're going to draw an oval right under it. So you can have the overall shape. There you go. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, or even leave us a comment. That's very important for us. Give a suggestion. So now I'm going to divide the circle in two hemispheres. And I'm gonna draw the first front leg from this point. The second one right next to it, so you see it's gonna start looking like a dog. And the hind leg is gonna come from the extreme back. And there's gonna be one of the hind legs partially hidden right here. The tail is gonna look a bit like a scorpion sting. Big one. Now let's start working on the face. And well, as you see, it's one of those cute characters in which the lower part is much smaller than the upper part. So I marked the place where I'm gonna find the nose, right here. The nose is just gonna be a triangle. And the mouth is gonna be kind of a cat's mouth. It's gonna be represented by these two curves. Now the eye is just gonna be this oval here. And I'm gonna try to make the other one just about the same size. So here you see, marking and checking if they are the same size. I think it's okay. Now let's refine the shape of the head just a little, because it's not really gonna be a circle. So I'm gonna draw the cheek right here. Follow the shape of the circle that we had drawn before. And I'm gonna stop at this point and draw a line up. The ears are gonna be very much like Pikachu's. They're gonna look like a rabbit's ear. This long. Now let's go to the other one. ears on top of the head. Now let's make the inside of the ears. There's gonna be some hair at the base, and then I've just drawn the inside following the lines that I had drawn before. Alright, so you can have a good idea of what it's gonna look like. So from this point I'm going to start pulling the color, or maybe a ruff, if you don't know what a ruff is, but that's gonna be the color, the fur color that Eevee has. It's gonna be divided in a few parts, so it's gonna look a bit like an onion. I'm gonna erase some of the lines just to make things easier and to know where I'm going from here, so I can revise the drawing that I have done so far. So the eyes are just gonna have a glint over here, the iris, and then it's gonna be darker on top. That's why I'm making it the division in the middle of the eye. So I'm gonna make a few lines on the fur color so it looks a bit more hair-like. The feet are just gonna have 3 toes, like this, with 2 lines. And the last thing we have to do is to make a mark on the tail to make it look a bit more like a fox. Now let's get the liner, and well, first I'm going to make some thick lines on the outside. Then I'm gonna get a fine liner and do some more detailed work. So now it's time to erase the lines, which are not going to be necessary. And this time for coloring Eevee, I decided to use some kind of grayscale. Well, grayscale is like first you draw the shades with a gray pen, and then you apply the other colors on top of it. So it's gonna look like it's shaded, naturally shaded. That's it, my friends. Eevee is ready. I hope you have enjoyed the video, so don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. The comment section is always open for you, so if you want, you can drop us a line. And I'm expecting to have you back for the next video. Don't forget, you have some more videos that you might find interesting, so take a look at the rest of the channel. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.